And that's where things really get fun. I want to stress that I put this together. All in all, this is about 4.5 hours worth of work on my side. And granted, I do know kind of what I'm doing inside the Power Platform and these other technologies, but I want to say that one of the advantages of using the Power Platform for building applications is that you can go to market very, very quickly. What I've got here is just some listings of some contracts that I put in. So I have a consulting agreement, I've got a lease, a couple of services agreement, things like this. And you can see I've got some metadata. We've got the names here of the party, the first name. So this is going to be the originator of the contract, and then you have the second person. So this is either going to be the client or the landlord or something like that. So so we've got party first name, party second name, party first name, relationship, and the addresses and the expiration dates of the contracts. I also have the document locations here. So if I am to look at this particular one, let's take a look at the top one. We've got our consulting agreement here. I'll go ahead and just click on this, and that's going to open up in Word the PDF that I'm working with. Let's do something with Content AI right away. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a contract like we just opened. And you can see here, I've got some information here. So here is, I've got a contract title. I have who is between here, and here is the second person. I've got addresses, right? I've got some terms down here. We have the agreement will remain in full force in effect for a period of 6 months. So there is no date that I can just grab and pull out. So how do we deal with stuff like that inside of our contracts? So what I'll do here is I'm going to upload one of our files. I'll just upload this one. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the button that says use model. You can see I've got a new document here. All right. And it doesn't have any metadata in it just yet. This is the ID in Dataverse. That's my data source where I'm storing the information. Okay. And so a number of things are going to happen here. As soon as it gets uploaded here, Syntex, Microsoft, what used to be called Microsoft Syntex, it's actually going to be the SharePoint Premium now, is going to classify this document, and it will extract the metadata from this. So you can see here, I have all of my effective date, and you guys saw it. All I did was click a button, it uploaded it. It's pulling this information from the document itself. Okay, so what's going to happen next? So we have that expiration date. And how do we get that expiration date? All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull up AI Studio. What I have here is I have a very specific set of instructions that I've given ChatGPT here to do, and it can pull out the information that I'm looking for. All right, it goes in there, it looks at what that expiration date is going to be, and it's going to see this is in force for 6 months, and it'll do a calculation to give me the date of expiration. So we'll go ahead and go back here. I'm going to hit refresh, and there we go. We're done. Here's our consulting agreement. It's with Farrakhan Industries. It's with Lynn Roberts. Our contract is effective 7/1/2023, and we'll go in here for our expiration date, and it is 6 months from that date. So you saw here information from that document that was taken, and I didn't do anything to it other than I uploaded it, and now I've got it into my contract management system. The expiration date is populated. All the other stuff is populated. I'm ready to go. With that, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Feel free to email me or Dave if you have any questions at all. I'm very happy to talk to you about these and any other solutions that you have.